Hey guys, this is the Funny Noises show.
In other words, this is just us being really bored and kinda if you know what I mean. Alright, so first we'll be featuring Makenzie doing her weird tongue drum thing.
Ready for this? Ready, guys?
It's skill. Or something.
Okay, now Anastasia over here, right? Anastasia.
I don't know. Let's see if I can do my elephant noise.
Try it again, hon.
Oh look, here's my little elephant. And then I do a monkey noise.
There's this kid, like, that does this dinosaur on top.
Okay, Miles, we were in CA, and also we were just like, it was like, and then Gate goes, oh, that's Miles, he's being a raptor.
And he's all like, he puts his hands like this, and he walks out the classroom, and he like, looks at you. So weird.
So funny, though. I went to preschool with him.
Really?
Yeah. He was a pirate for Halloween.
I could picture that.
It was so funny.
So, guys, what noises can you make? Ooh, that one's pretty cool. Oh, and I like that one.
Can you sound like just like a cat? That would be so cool. You'd be like,
oh my gosh, I just thought of something. What noise does a narwhal make?
oh god, okay. That's my favorite animal. The narwhal is like my life.
I know. Okay, so
it's like a unicorn and a whale baby, right?
Well, yeah, it's a whale with like a unicorn horn. I know it sounds fake, but it's real. You can like look it up.
It's like legit.
Okay, so we're gonna try to make its noise. Like, what noises make? Okay, so you're gonna be a horse, and I'm gonna be a whale.
And we're like morph them together and see what they sound like. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Okay, I'm sure that sounds pretty cool.
I want to hear a narwhal so bad now. Okay, we're gonna like look up narwhal sounds and see if they sound like that. If they do, we should get cash money because that was awesome. Alright, folks. Here's the lesson for today. 1. Kids can sound like raptors. 2. Narwhals sound like this.
1, 2, 3. And 3. Making noises is fun, except in school. Stay in school. Don't